Anjali, Midland, and Raghavi here from the Bubble of Life, and we are going to try out a 3D printing pen. How cool is that? Let's start. Okay, so today we're going to try 3D printing a house. Go.
What just happened? Oh man. What's this? What's going on? I just give up.
This is really boring.
I thought it. Oh yeah, it stayed. What happened? Are you okay, Margaret?
I just started. This is my third time. I give up. Bye. I'm out. Okay. I'm gonna stay. This one gonna stay. Cut the cord. Cut in the cord. The cord is long. It stays. Perfect. This is an achievement. Okay. Let me get the last side.